This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
We've officially crossed a line. For the longest time, self-driving cars were basically a very expensive, very difficult science fair project. It was cool tech, but it wasn't real life. But that phase, it's over. We aren't looking at experiments anymore. We are looking at commercialization. Right now, while you're watching this, there are fleets of robotaxis from companies like Avride and Zoox roaming the streets of Austin, Dallas, and Las Vegas. They are out there, in the wild, dealing with real traffic. But the reason this is suddenly accelerating isn't just about better sensors or cooler cars. It's about a partnership that honestly feels like a cheat code for reality. Uber has teamed up with NVIDIA, and this changes the math completely. Think about it. Uber has billions of trips worth of data. They know every pothole, every weird intersection, and every aggressive lane change in your city. They are now feeding that massive ocean of real-world experience into NVIDIA's systems. They're calling it a data factory, but you can think of it as a flight simulator on steroids. Here is why that matters for you. Training a robot in the real world is dangerous and slow. You can't exactly crash 1,000 cars just to teach the AI what not to do. But with NVIDIA's simulation tech, they can run millions of scenarios digitally. They can take those billions of Uber miles and simulate the craziest, most dangerous edge cases, snowstorms, jaywalkers, sudden construction, over and over again without ever putting a scratch on a real bumper. This is how we get to what they're calling a superhuman safety standard. And look, I know the skepticism. We've been promised this for a decade. But the goal here isn't just cool tech. It's about giving you time back and making mobility actually affordable. Uber believes this is a $1 trillion opportunity, not because it's futuristic, but because it's going to be cheaper and safer than owning your own car. We are talking about a world where the car doesn't get tired, doesn't get distracted, and has practiced every single turn 1,000,000 times in a simulation before it ever picks you up. The question isn't, is this coming anymore? The question is, now that the science project is done, are you ready to get in? If you want to stay ahead of the technology that is actually rewriting how we live our lives, hit that subscribe button for AIX. We track the breakthroughs that matter, so you don't have to. I'll catch you in the next one.